Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to import a bio from Instagram to the Threads application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer as well as an account for Instagram and an account for Threads, as well as a biography that we will be importing. So we can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to either Instagram.com or we can search for threads.net. However, in this tutorial, let's just go to the shortcut on the toolbar. Click on Instagram. Make sure that you are signed into the account. As you can tell, we have a bio on screen. Every problem is solved by indirection, tutorials, how-to videos, education, and then my email address as well as a link to my channel. Let's now navigate to my Threads account using the handle. This will take me directly to the account on Threads, and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now, what we will do is go to Edit Profile. Let's now click Write Bio. We can either create a brand new bio from scratch or import bio from Instagram. Click on this. This will now bring everything into the frame. Click on Done. Click on Done again. Right click, reload the page. And here we have the bio imported from Computer Science Videos, Instagram to Threads, all on screen. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.